this is Kevin from the Lincolnwood Library, here to share 3 books that are in our teen manga selection, especially for those who are just getting into manga. It can be kind of a different genre. A lot of people don't know where to start, or need recommendations, or just want to try something new. I highly recommend these 3 books. The first one is Niankis, which is about a streetwise cat that is very tough, very intense, and kind of his adventures, kind of running the streets his way. It's a very fun book. It doesn't take itself too seriously, but it's still really engaging and very entertaining to read. Final Fantasy series is always great. It is a very classic fantasy adventure book. So if you want to branch out from like superhero books or just kind of more classic fantasy, I would highly recommend getting into a series like this. And then the last one is Haiku. This is a very long series, so if you get hooked on this one, there's 40 plus books. It is about the main character trying to be the best volleyball player he can, defeating his arch nemesis. You do not need to be a volleyball fan, but it is very fast-paced. There's a lot of action and a lot going on. It's a very entertaining book. So hopefully you guys check this out and branch out and enjoy this new genre that has a lot of great series for you.